It's here. It's here, guys. I'm so excited. I've never done this before. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's here. It arrived. My 700 card lot that I just purchased. All California cards. I'm so excited. Can't wait to dig into this. You know, I thought, why not do an unboxing? I've never done one before, so I may mess it up, but hey, we're going to have fun. Okay, here we go. We're going to unbox this package. 700 cards. I've never made a purchase this big. Can't wait to see what's inside it. So I got my handy cutting knife here, and I'm gonna just cut this along the seam right here, and I'm gonna cut this right along here. Gotta be very careful because I'm not sure how tightly you package this. I don't want to cut into the cards, that's for sure. Okay, we're just gonna slice the top of this. Whenever I do something like this, whenever I open a box like this, I always lift up on the box. That way I'm cutting into just the box. And, ooh, looks good. Didn't touch anything inside. Let's see. There's the front of the box. Okay. All right. Got some padding in here. Little eBay logo. It's just added, I guess, added padding just to, you know, give it some extra protection. Ooh, oh my God. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Can you see this? Oh, he's got a very well packaged. Very well packaged. Looks like we got 2 huge stacks, or maybe 4 stacks. And these are all older cards. Oh, this is looking good so far. Looking good. Oh, here's a stack right here. Look at that. Look at that. Size of that stack. Oh my goodness. Woo! I'm excited. Okay, that's one. Let's see, I don't have a whole lot of room here on the table. Just got to move a couple things over here. And so I can have some room. Here we go. And here's some more cards just like that. Look at that. Oh, look how nicely he packaged this. Oh, I'm going to have to give this guy really good positive feedback. This guy did an awesome job. Let's see what else we got. Oh, look at that. Put a divider in between. This guy knew what he was doing. He must have worked in warehousing before he went on eBay, because that's what I did. Oh, look at this. This looks like a white border. Another thick package. Awesome. Awesome sauce. Oh, nice linens. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful card. Oh, I'm so excited. It's like I'm like a kid in a candy store. Or a photographer in a photography store. I don't know. Okay. Nothing but peanuts in there. But he did an excellent job. Yep, that's it. Just looks like 4 stacks of cards. And this is 700 cards. Oh my goodness. If you divide 700 by 4, that's like 175 cards a stack here. Yeah, that's all there is. And he did just an excellent job. Oh, I'm just so thrilled. So thrilled. So thrilled. Alrighty. I'm going to put these down here like this. And, wow. I can tell some of these cards are really old. This one here, 1910. This one on the back, very back, 1910. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's see what else we got here. There's another one. Looks like 1922. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, can't help my Ooh. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Okay guys, I changed angle a little bit so you could see the cards and you could see me, hopefully. I can't quite see myself. This has no flip around screen on this GoPro. But whoo, I'm just so excited about this. Oh, I gotta be real careful with these packages here because he's done a really, I mean, this guy knew what he was doing. I've seen some packages that have arrived in the mail before that just, I don't know where their head was at when they were packaging them. So I'm going to try to get these cards open. I had a pair of scissors. Here we go. Maybe I can cut a little bit there, and let's see here. One thing you don't want to do is damage the cards, that's for sure. Okay, oh yeah, these are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking at these. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's an oldie. Got some beautiful, beautiful cards in here. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Oh, 1964. It says, what does it say? The Chimes Tower. Look at this. Oh, wow. Cow Palace. That's interesting. I've got so many interesting ones here. So, yeah. There's one with red letters. I don't know if I mentioned to you in a previous video that anything with red letters at the bottom of the top has a lot of value to it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, it's going to take me a while to go through these guys. I tell you, it's just amazing. Oh, I just saw one that I really liked. It's surfers on it. Okay. All right. Ooh, okay. Put that. Now we'll just open this one. And, wow. He just did a really excellent job. Can't say enough. You know, when you find a seller that just goes the extra mile and really packages your purchases well. Where's my scissors? Right here. It's very rare because, I mean, most of the packages I get are packaged well. You know, I'm not saying that every package I get, they don't know what they're doing, but I have had a few. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. It's like a waterfront. Oh, yeah. A lot of buildings, bridges. Oh, look at that. Look at that. California coast. California is like one of my top sellers, or if not my top seller. Oh, beautiful. I love boats. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh, this is just so great. Oh, just see anything. Some really old ones. Okay. All right, went through that stack. And we'll go through this third stack here. And cut this open. Like I said, I've never made a purchase with this many cards before, guys. Never. Never, never, never. So I'm very excited about this, and I'm glad that I got a seller that really cares. Always wanted to do that. Let's see what we got here. More bridges. That's good. Bridges are always a good. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this one's gonna sell for. As soon as I put it up. Boats in the harbor. Oh, here's another one. Boats in the harbor. Oh, just beautiful. More bridges. What else I got? Oh, California coast. Yep, I actually have a copy of this one, and this one too. I've seen these before, but that's okay. Oh, look at this! Look at this! I love nature and landscapes. Look at this. Check this out. This is Yosemite. Look at that waterfall. Oh, just absolutely amazing. Just, ooh, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Beautiful. A lot of restaurants in here. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, there's a nice hotel. I'm sorry, guys. I'm in my own world. Markets. More buildings. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Now, last one here. Okay. And I'm going to take my scissors and cut down the side. That way, and I'll cut into the cards. Oh, what's this? Is this some kind of a note? A receipt. That's what this is. He even provided a receipt. Check it out. A lot of 700 California postcards, standard size, with the price and a thank you. His name is Don. That's what it says here, I think. Well, thank you, Don, for providing this. Wow, that's great. I will go in the tax file. Okay. Oh, people walking along a. Oh, this is awesome. People walking along a. Looks like a river walk or something like that. Boats, people, anything with that kind of activity. Awesome. Got a duplicate there. Here's another hotel. Oh, more boats. Ah, it's a weakness of mine. More boats. Always great sellers. Let's see what we got here. And some of these are really old too. I mean, this one right here is 1909. Right here, divided back 1909. Half the buildings probably aren't even there anymore. Oh, these are just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Let's see. You know what I'm seeing? Usually postcards with just nature and stuff that don't change in over 100 years. Well, I'm beginning to see an upsurge in that. I think what it is our world is so chaotic right now, our country, that I think people are looking for scenes that bring a calmness or a stillness to their lives. And I've seen more of an uptick of those types of sales. But yeah, oh, these are just beautiful. People in a restaurant. I know this is like an artist drawing, but that's okay. Motel with a pool. Oh yeah, I already have a couple of copies of, whoops, a couple of copies of that one. So I'll just add that to the ones that I already have. Like I said, this is going to take me a while to go through. Oh, love scenes like this. This is a white border, Los Angeles, California, like a waterfront, like that, with cars and people. Anything like that with cars and people and interaction. Beautiful, just beautiful. Cards like this here, see how they're pretty much gradation is like more or less like a monotone. I'll have to photograph them actually with my high-end camera. Interesting, interesting. Oh, look at this one, night shot. Cars out in front of a hotel. Look at that. Oh, just beautiful, just beautiful. Absolutely amazing cards. More markets, more hotels. Hotels are big sellers. More boats. Beautiful. Little country cottage. That one will sell. You might get, sometimes you'll buy a lot like this and you might get the same card, but sometimes like this one isn't posted, but the one I have might be posted. So you can actually list them as two different cards, even though they're the same card, but one's posted maybe with a year like 1962 or something, and then the other one isn't posted at all. So that makes them two separate cards. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at this. I love aerials. I love aerial shots like that. Oh, just beautiful. There's another hotel. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. Here's another interior. Oh, more boats. Can't get enough boats. Oh, same card, duplicate, which is good because once one sells and it says, it usually says one left, and that creates a sense of urgency. Okay, guys. Well, there it is. My first unboxing. All these cards. Just 4 beautiful stacks, probably 175 cards a stack. I went through some of them with you. Just, I'm very pleased and very, very excited, guys, because, oh, just unbelievable cards. So, hope you enjoyed that. If you got anything out of this video, make sure you smash that like button. It really helps the channel, and I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm very excited. I can't wait to start listing these. It's gonna take a while. 700 cards, that's a lot. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I guess that's it for now. And you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.